How to download free games on the Nintendo Switch. What we want to do is go to the Nintendo eShop. So just click on it. Now it will ask us for our account. I'm going to select this one. And right here I'll show you the settings that we need to apply. So click on search. Click on filtered search right here. The very small option. And then right here we will go to price range. And we will just select free download. Now, once we select free download here, we can click on search. And this is only going to show us games that are free to download on the Nintendo Switch. So as you can see, we have Fall Guys, we have Tetris, Super Kirby Clash, Rocket League, we have YouTube as well. And all of these games are basically free to play on the Nintendo Switch. So you can get them. And that's how you do it. That's how you get free games on the Nintendo Switch. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.